Alright, we're shopping for the holiday season here at the Ace Hardware. Just a quick video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, so we got the buy one, get one free. You buy a starter kit, get a free tool from Craftsman. Or you can get the, the pack out, buy the crates. I'll show you guys what you guys have to buy. The rolling and the drawers, and get a free large tools. Alright, so you got a couple batteries there for $129. You got this 256 kit for $199. It is compatible with the VersaStack. Alright, so this is what you have to buy and get a free large box. You have to buy the drawers and the rolling toolbox and get that free large toolbox for the pack out. These are all $19.99. This is a 2-pack of fastbacks. Yeah, I believe one's a bit holder and the other one's a storage. So all these do qualify for the $19.99. Definitely the little different than the depot, so definitely check out your nearest Ace Hardware, especially with the screwdrivers. That's I believe that's something they do not include in the depots. And then you got some brushless RPs. This is one's $179 impact driver, drill driver. Then we got some corded tools there at the bottom, $79. This one's down to $19.99. This is 60 piece, lots of bits, tic tac cases, extension bit there on the right, a bit holder. All right, $5.99 for these smaller bags, and then you got the bigger bag for $9.99. All right, so this is what a free Milwaukee pack out toolbox when you purchase a 3-drawer and a 22-inch rolling tool chest. If you guys didn't know, Ace Hardware does have their own tools. So this is an example of the quality. They actually have pretty good quality on these. $5.99 for the Stanleys. It's a 2-pack pliers. You got needle nose and just the regular pliers. And then we got these. This is a tape measure, 25 foot by 1 level lock tape measure on sale. And then we got a infrared heater for $149. Now that the cold season's here. And then we got another one here and close out for $139. So, alright, so we got $99 for the DeWalt's. Basically your choice here. You got the drill, you got the power stack battery, and then you got the sander. So there's different ones. You do have to look through them and see which ones do qualify, or look at the brochure online, or they add online. So $5.99 again for these as well. And then this one's the one that's $5.99 as well. So this one's the one that's $9.99 for 2, which is a pretty good deal for that one. And then you got the VersaStack for $99. So if you need a couple boxes and not want to break the bank there you go. Guys, just a quick video. Like I said, I didn't want to make this longer because there's not a lot to show here. This is a really small store. That's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.